And there's something like indicators that one can use to test the percentage of FFA in an oil so that you know okay, how to go about the sterilization. If it's to sterilize more, or at least you know that as a point, or even after sterilization, you cannot test okay, this FFA was this before this percentage, but right now because of the sterilization it has reduced. So are there indicators, materials we can use to test?
Yes, you can actually check. That is why we have quality control. Like when you establish the oil palm industry, you have to have a quality control. Yes, there is an experimental procedure to check it. It exists.
Usually,
but not during the processing.
After the processing line, after you've gotten your oil, you can now test for FFA. But nevertheless, using our equipment, we have sanitized this in such a way that once you sterilize, as long as you have steam, they have produced steam, you have started injecting steam into the system, approximately 30 to 45 minutes should be enough to sterilize your foods. But nevertheless, the experienced hands will tell you that the smell will change, the coloration will change, the taste will change. That's your usual 5 senses: eye, smell, and taste.
Even when you allow it for over 7 days, by the time you taste the food, it will taste differently from the day 1 or day 2 or before the 7th day.
That's before even sterilization.
Yes,
the raw foods.
Even the eye level, as he said, will show you. And even when you bruise more of the food, you should anticipate that this batch might contain high FFA.
Only a lot of bruising. Usually, once you have bruised fruits, you should mill immediately, sterilize immediately. Once you realize you have bruised fruits, as fast as possible, you sterilize. If not, FFA will keep building.